Welcome back to my channel, everybody. It has been a while, but today is Wednesday and it is the day before Thanksgiving, so I'm back with another video. So today's drink, I'm going to be making a green apple caramel martini. So here I just have some caramel candies that I melted. I had it around the house, but you are more than welcome to use caramel syrup if you would like. So first we're just going to dip the cup in the caramel syrup, or caramel candy. Just like that. And these are some pretty big glasses. I got these from Walmart. And then I just put some in a piping bag, and I'm going to put it in the inside of the cup. So just like that. You can do it any kind of design you want, but I wanted my caramel to stick. So then I have my shaker, and I have ice in it. And I got this from Walmart too. I'm going to be using the sour apple pucker. And then I'm going to be using the Kiss Caramel Smirnoff. Has anybody tried this? Do you like it? Let me know in the comments down below. And it also says it's gluten-free. And like I always say, you make this drink how you would like it. Put the top on, give it a little shake. And pour it in. And then I just have my apple slices, and I'm gonna put it on the side. And there you have it. My caramel apple martinis. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you have any kind of questions or anything you would like to see me make, just comment down below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you all have a happy Thanksgiving. Bye-bye.